Our bones give strength to our body and a rigid structure for muscles to attach, allowing us to run, jump and move. But our bones are not just a scaffold for muscles. Bones are living and dynamic, and play a complex role in health and disease. Bones are made up of a calcified matrix, as well as many different types of cells. The middle of our bones, the bone marrow, is home to a special type of cell called a haematopoietic stem cell. These stem cells divide and mature when needed, and then enter the bloodstream, destined to become new circulating blood cells. But in patients with some blood cancers, these stem cells start to divide out of control, forming a growing mass inside the bone marrow and causing more and more abnormal cells to enter the bloodstream. Chemotherapy is used to kill most of these cells, shown here as bright particles, spreading into the bone marrow and killing the dividing cells. But some cancer cells remain dormant or asleep and wait for the chemotherapy to pass. These dormant cells interact with the bone matrix via a tiny molecular bridge. The molecular bridge forms between integrin molecules on the surface of the cell and osteopontin molecules, which is a component of the bone matrix. Long after the chemotherapy has passed, some of these drug-resistant cells start to divide again, causing the cancer to relapse. An exciting new therapy is now being used to seek out these dormant cells. BOP, shown here in red, is a tiny chemical that can break the molecular bridge. So once the cancer cells are woken from their inactive state, chemotherapy can now target more of these cancer cells and greatly reduce the chance that patients will relapse following treatment.